All of my cat stories start with the statement. All of my stories start with the statement. But sometimes I build computer dog stories. Dog.
Look at
Good
that.
dog. Good dog. Good dog.
Ellie, you're doing an awesome job. I'm proud of you.
We're gonna put it in the oven.
Sometimes I like to go with my dog stories. My good dog, my cat stories. I am.
Yes, dog. And I love her so much.
But being a dog can be dangerous. Can be dangerous when you are also.
It's a cat that gets really mad. And one night, a dog chased a cat.